You ready for this shit, B? Where we at, son?
Where we? Motherfucking NO, nigga.
In the NO, nigga. Motherfucking French Quarters, nigga. What's your name
on
is?
The balcony, nigga. They call me Mr. Ron. I just threw the Mr. on there. They don't usually call me that, but fuck it.
You know what I'm saying?
But fuck it.
How can he be two niggas with one Mr.?
How?
Nigga. Y'all don't know nobody like that, nigga. Huh?
I'm so two of me, I need 2 chairs.
Damn, nigga. Where the other chair at?
Niggas in the house.
I feel it, man.
Fuck, nigga.
Leave that shit. It's too hot out. Nigga, you see that shit, nigga?
Balcony down, nigga.
Indoor room, nigga. Outdoor room, nigga.
Fuck, nigga.
What the these niggas got us fucked up, bruh.
Fuck, I'm about to spit.
Spit that shit, cuz.
Look, B, you don't really want to see me, cause your bitch get the D.
Woo.
Who call E.
E who?
So that's that nigga Aaron. He ain't acting. And he ain't scared of shit. Shout out to that nigga Shiny D.
That's me, nigga, the cameraman.
The cameraman, the designer,
nigga.
the motherfucking nigga who got the rhymers. Motherfucker, we good, nigga. You might as well call us big timers, nigga.
Nigga, and
we
the
get
NO,
more money, nigga. The big timers, nigga.
Nigga.
The fuck, nigga. And we
man,
in the NO.
Eat
that shit, bruh. Eat this shit, bruh. First off,
I ain't never gave a fuck. Last nigga tried me, that nigga had to duck. Bang, bang is the sound you gon' hear on these streets.
Nigga.
I ain't talking about no guns, I'm talking about a bunch of Dre beats.
Woo.
Nigga got the drummers and the niggas playing the sax.
Yup.
I'll be on Bourbon Street trying to get some neck.
Yup.
Nigga tried to play me, I had to smack him with the left. Nigga hit him with the black side, gave him a black eye. Man, me and 2 whistles do our damn thing. We be high as fuck, puffing on that Mary Jane. Woo! I be living it up, cause I got heart and soul. Shout out to my mama. God rest her soul. Shout out to my granny. God bless her soul.
Yeah.
Cause she the reason that we here right now.
Yeah. Where we at?
I should go and drop a tear right now, cause we in the fucking French Quarters this our year, like now.
Right now.
Nigga, that's it, bro.
That's it, bro.
That's all these niggas get from me.
Fuck y'all.
That's all y'all niggas get from my mind, nigga. I'll write the rest of this shit down. Fuck.
Official, nigga.